So on Triple D, I've been there, I've done that, I've met them, I've heard their story, and I've tasted just about every type of menu that there is. Well, I'm here in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and that might get broken today. This is a story about an immigrant family like I've never heard before. They're doing a menu that I don't think I've quite seen before. This one's unique. This is Coda Bakery, Vietnamese deli, and tofu house.
One shrimp and pork sausage banh mi.
In Albuquerque, I was not expecting to find such a great hidden gem of this Vietnamese restaurant.
Có một phần gỏi cuốn thịt nướng.
I was born and raised in Vietnam, so this food is home to me.
It's home cooking that owner Win Win inherited when her Vietnamese-born parents made the journey to America. You were leaving Vietnam, your wife's pregnant.
I was the one that was born on the boat.
Ho, 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 ho.
So on the birth certificate and my citizenship, it says country of birth is international waters.
Seriously?
Yes.
Would we call this a Vietnamese restaurant?
Absolutely. This is a Vietnamese, like, casual fast food, but the flavor is authentic. I have a Dac Biet sandwich for table number 4.
The banh mi Dac Biet is layered with different types of pork.
Very tasty. We keep coming back for it over and over.
Dac Biet, what does it mean?
Special. We are gonna start with the house-made bread. High gluten flour, butter, oil, salt, dough conditioner, sugar,
And yeast.
ice water.
It will retard the yeast development, which allows you to make the bread, roll it out, and give it a longer shelf life
Exactly.
before it proofs.
Have time.
So you can get the flavor.
Yes.
Ta-da!
So now we're gonna make the Vietnamese ham.
We're doing more of a pressed ham, like
It's
a
like
sausage.
a bologna. It's pork cushion, actually.
Pork cushion.
And then boneless, skinless chicken breast.
This is just like everyday equipment that you have here at this random Vietnamese bakery. No, this thing right here is what you find in meat processing.
Tapioca starch,
Little binder.
glutinous rice flour, baking powder, white pepper, salt, MSG, vegetable seasoning,
Crank it up.
oil, ice water, sugar water, like a simple syrup. Now we're gonna whip it.
Then freeze it. Then it goes to the emulsifier.
Yes.
That's where you really get that creaminess, whereas when she said it was gonna break down to like bologna. Nothing I love more than meat ice cream. Put this into the mold.
And we're gonna steam it. An hour and 15 minutes. Now we're gonna make the pate.
Of course we are, because we're gonna make everything here. I'm probably gonna go mill some paper to make the bags.
Pork liver,
Great, my favorite.
pork fat, pork butt, white onions, fresh garlic, breadcrumbs from our bread, glutinous rice flour as a binder, garlic powder, black pepper, baking powder, salt, 5 spice powder, a little bit of sugar, onion oil. All right,
Puree this.
to the mold
Steam for,
in an hour, 15 minutes.
that's how big the sandwich is?
They're about foot long, house-made, garlic mayo. And
Okay.
then the pate that we just made, pork belly, the head ham,
We call it head cheese.
jambon, like a garlic ham, and then the Vietnamese ham that we just made.
Right.
Soy sauce, pickled carrots and daikon, cucumber, some jalapenos, cilantro.
That makes banh mi's look boring.
That's why it's called Dac Biet, because
Yeah.
it's so special. Did you hear that crunch?
My mouth is on it.
Bon appetit.
Amazing. This is probably one of the most remarkable sandwiches I've had a chance to try. This is a trophy of success for all your hard work. Oh my goodness, outstanding.
Thank you.
Bánh mì đặc biệt for you.
The whole sandwich is really fresh and tasty.
It has the vegetables, has the butter on the baguette, and they bake the baguettes here,
Right.
so it's better than pretty much any sandwich you can get.